Good morning. Have you looked out the window yet? The sky looks incredibly dark. I think it's going to rain any minute now.
Good morning. I just checked the weather app on my phone, and you're right. There's an 80% chance of heavy rain and even a thunderstorm later this afternoon.
Oh no, I was planning to wash my car and do some gardening today. I guess I'll have to stay indoors. Does the app say how long the rain will last?
It looks like it will be rainy all day today, but tomorrow should be much better. The forecast says it will be sunny with a high of 22 degrees.
That's a relief. I hate it when it rains for days at a time. It makes me feel so unmotivated.
Me too. But look on the bright side. The garden really needs the water. We haven't had any rain for 2 weeks.
True. I should probably go and close the windows in the attic just in case the wind picks up.
Good idea. And don't forget to bring the laundry in from the balcony. Since the weather is supposed to be so nice tomorrow, why don't we organize a picnic at the Riverside Park?
That sounds like a wonderful idea. I haven't been to that park in months. What time should we head there to get a good spot under the trees?
How about 11:30? That way we can have lunch there and enjoy the sunshine before it gets too crowded in the afternoon.
Perfect. What should we bring for food? I can make some chicken sandwiches and a fresh pasta salad with cherry tomatoes.
Yum! I'll bring some fruit, some cheese and crackers, and maybe a bottle of cold lemonade. Do we need to bring our own chairs?
I think a big blanket is enough. The grass there is very soft.
Oh, and I'll bring my portable speaker so we can listen to some music.
Great. Don't forget the sunscreen. Even if it's not super hot, the sun can be quite strong near the water. I've got it on my list. I'm really looking forward to a relaxing day. I'm making a shopping list for the week. Do we need anything specific from the supermarket, or should I just get the basics? We're almost out of milk and eggs, and could you check if we have enough coffee? I think the jar is nearly empty. You're right, we need coffee. I'll also get some fresh bread, butter, and some fruit for snacks. Anything else?
We need some ingredients for dinner tonight. I was thinking of making fish with grilled vegetables. Could you buy 2 pieces of salmon?
Sure thing. I'll also look for some bell peppers, zucchini, and maybe some asparagus if they have it.
That sounds delicious. Oh, and we need some laundry detergent and dish soap too. We're down to the last drop.
Got it. I'll try to go to the big supermarket across town. They usually have better prices and more variety.
Thanks. I'll help you unpack everything when you get back.
I'm so excited to finally see this movie. I've heard the special effects are absolutely incredible.
Me too. I've been avoiding spoilers online all week. Do you have the tickets on your phone, or do we need to print them at the kiosk?
I have the QR code right here. We can just scan it at the entrance. We still have 10 minutes before it starts. Should we get some snacks?
Definitely. I can't watch a movie without popcorn. Should we get a large one to share or 2 small ones?
Let's get a large sweet and salty mix, and I really want a cold soda. What about you? I'll just have a bottle of water, please. I'm trying to drink less sugar.
1 large popcorn mix and a medium soda, please. Oh, and a bottle of water.
Look, they're selling those collectible cups for the new movie. They're so cute, but maybe too expensive.
Yeah, $15 for a cup is a bit much. Let's just stick to the popcorn. Our theater is screen 5, down the hall to the left. Let's go.
I'm way too tired to cook anything tonight. Should we just order something through the app?
I was hoping you'd say that. I've had a craving for sushi all day. What do you think?
Sushi sounds perfect. Let's check the Sushi Garden menu. They usually have a fast delivery time.
Oh, look, they have a special party roll set that's 20% off today. It has salmon, tuna, and California rolls.
That's a great deal. Let's add that to the cart. Do you want any appetizers? Maybe some miso soup or gyoza?
Let's get some shrimp gyoza. They're my favorite. Does the app say how long it will arrive?
It says 35 to 45 minutes. That's not too bad. I'll pay by card through the app.
Great. I'll go set the table and get some soy sauce ready. I can't wait. Hi, it's been so long since we last talked. How have you been? How's the new job going?
Oh, hi. I've been so busy, but the job is going really well. It's a lot of work, but the team is great, and I'm learning so much.
That's wonderful to hear. I was worried you were feeling a bit overwhelmed. Are you still living in the same apartment?
Yes, I am. I'm thinking of redecorating the living room next month. I want to buy a new sofa and maybe some plants.
You should definitely get some plants. They make such a big difference. I just bought a huge monstera for my bedroom, and I love it.
That's a great idea. Anyway, what about you? Any news in your life?
Not much, just the usual, but I am planning a short trip to the coast next weekend. I really need a break from the city.
I'm so jealous. You'll have a great time. We should meet up for coffee when you get back, and you can tell me all about it.
Absolutely. Let's stay in touch.
Wow, that spinning class was so intense. My legs feel like lead. How are you feeling?
I'm exhausted too. That instructor is so energetic. She really pushes everyone to their limit. But it feels good to have a good workout, doesn't it?
It really does. I think I'm going to spend 10 minutes in the sauna now to relax my muscles. Do you want to join me?
That sounds amazing, but I think I'll just do some light stretching first. I don't want to be too sore tomorrow.
Good point. Stretching is very important. Are you coming back to the gym on Thursday for the yoga class?
I'm planning to. It's much more relaxing than spinning. By the way, do you have any extra water? I finished mine during the class.
Sure. I have a spare bottle in my locker. I'll get it for you.
Thanks so much. You're a lifesaver. Let's meet at the entrance in 15 minutes.
Look at this painting. The colors are so vibrant. I can't believe it was painted over 200 years ago.
It's incredible. The detail in the lace on the woman's dress is so delicate.
I wonder how long it took the artist to finish it. Probably months. I love how this museum is organized. Each room tells a different story about the history of the city. I agree. I especially liked the exhibit on ancient jewelry we saw earlier. Those gold necklaces were stunning. They really were. Do you want to go and see the modern art gallery now, or should we take a break at the museum cafe? Let's take a quick break. I've been walking for 2 hours and my feet are starting to hurt. A cup of tea would be perfect. Good idea. We can check the museum map while we have our tea and decide what to see next. Great plan. I also want to stop by the gift shop later to buy some postcards. This cafe is so cozy. I love the decor and the smell of fresh coffee. Should we find a table near the window? Yes, let's sit by the window. It's so nice to watch the people passing by. What are you going to order? I think I'll have a large cappuccino and a slice of that carrot cake. It looks delicious. That cake does look good. I think I'll have a matcha latte and a blueberry muffin. I'm not very hungry, but I can't resist a muffin. A cappuccino, a matcha latte, one carrot cake, and a blueberry muffin, please. This is the perfect place to catch up. I've missed our little cafe dates. Me too. It's so much better than just texting each other. So tell me everything. How was your weekend? It was actually quite quiet, which was exactly what I needed. I spent most of it reading and relaxing at home. I can't believe Sarah's 30th birthday is only 2 weeks away. We really need to finalize the plans for her surprise party. I know, time is flying. I've already contacted the restaurant and they've reserved the private room for us. There will be about 20 people in total. That's great. What about the decorations? I was thinking of a gold and white theme. It looks so elegant. I love that idea. I can go to the party supply store this weekend and buy some balloons, banners, and table decorations. Perfect. And I'll take care of the cake. I know a great bakery that makes amazing custom cakes. I'll order a 3-tiered vanilla and raspberry one. Yum, that sounds delicious. Do we need to plan any games or activities, or should we just have music and dancing? I think a photo booth with some fun props would be a big hit.
Everyone loves taking photos at parties.
That's a brilliant idea. I'll look for a photo booth rental online today. This is going to be the best party ever.
I'm so excited. Sarah is going to be so surprised.